In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Yahoo account using sg.yahoo.com. This guide will walk you through a simple yet comprehensive step-by-step process to navigate your Yahoo account and update settings as needed. So let's dive in. First, what you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Yahoo's official site, which continues to be a popular portal for news, email, and other services. You can simply type sg.yahoo.com into the address bar and press enter. Let the page load fully to ensure all elements appear correctly. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile icon. It's typically represented by a small circular avatar or image. Go ahead and click on this icon. By clicking it, you'll access several personalized options related to your Yahoo account. If you're not already logged in, you may be prompted to enter your username and password before proceeding. So ensure you have those credentials handy. Now, once you've accessed the drop-down menu from your profile icon, you'll see an option labeled Manage Your Account. This section gives you control over various settings, including security, personal details, and privacy preferences. Click on this option to move to your account management page. Taking the time to explore this area can be immensely beneficial, as it contains everything you need to fine-tune your Yahoo experience. Navigating further through your account settings, you'll want to find the Privacy Controls section. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Click on Privacy Controls to dive deeper into how your data is managed. This page is crucial, especially if you're conscious about online privacy or simply wish to understand more about Yahoo's data handling practices. As we move forward, there's an important section titled Delete Your Yahoo Account. This option is key for those looking to close their account permanently. Remember, this action is irreversible, so consider carefully whether you truly wish to proceed. For those who are sure, go ahead and find the section. Finally, when you're ready to complete the process, look for the button that says Continue Delete My Account. Clicking on this will initiate the final steps of terminating your Yahoo account. Always review any associated terms or considerations Yahoo prompts you with before carrying out this action. This process helps protect your account from unintended deletions. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the essentials of managing your Yahoo account using sg.yahoo.com. As you continue using Yahoo, periodically revisiting your account settings is always a good idea to ensure everything is just the way you like it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stick around for more